Okay, things you should know about painting a pool. Response. I don't have a painted pool, but I do have a bubble in the plaster about the size of a tangerine. Can I fix this without having to replaster the whole thing? It was done 5 years ago.
So yes, you certainly can. Basically what happened is as they were plastering, it was hot. There was a hot spot, there was a delamination, there was air, there was a chemical. We've seen that sometimes in fiberglass pools, is that the surface itself bubbles out and you see that bubble and you think it's air. And oftentimes it's a chemical that was in the resin and in the mix when they were building it that left a pocket in there, and that kind of expands out. So the basic solution to this would be drain the pool to that, whatever that level is, and you literally have to cut that section out, break it out, and then prep the surface underneath. Probably I would recommend using like a latex additive, a paint on there, so that even if you go to Home Depot and Quikrete makes a bond coat, it's a bonding agent to bond the new concrete to the old. Plaster is basically concrete, and paint that on, follow the instructions. It probably tell you to dry it for 15 minutes or so, let it dry till it gets tacky, and then just mix up a small amount, buy a repair kit, a Marcite repair kit, and trowel it on and feather the edges as best you can. And you should be fine. You should seal up just fine.